This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jerry MacArthur. Bring your toothbrush and favorite wine and enjoy the lovely preserve view. Tastefully updated first floor Egret model unit. Windows and sliding glass doors replaced with impact glass in 2023/custom shades installed on sliding glass doors for added privacy. New water heater, granite countertops in bathrooms, as well as facets, shower heads, and toilets replaced in 2022. Luxury vinyl plank flooring installed in bedrooms, bedroom closets, and den in 2022. Freshly painted throughout with decorator colors in 2022. Updated kitchen/Bosch dishwasher and French door refrigerator, 2023, granite countertops, glass tile backsplash, under counter lighting, and under cabinet outlets. New kitchen lighting. New ceiling fans, light fixtures, and smoke detectors throughout home. Updated polished nickel doorknobs and locks installed. Sofa bed in living room and trundle bed in den to accommodate your guest. Radon remediation system installed in 2022. For more information, review the details below.